You're a mad chemist. It's got to be just right. Perfect, huh? And that's how you do a storm drain tap. People say, what is a tap? What are you calling a tap? We core it, and we remove a core of concrete, and then we go ahead and hydraulic cement a tap in the storm drain catch basin so that we can connect the French drain pipe directly to that. Because you can't expect to just dead end your French drain and let the trench fill full of water and then cascade in to the storm drain. You want all the water to go through the sidewall of the storm drain catch basin. This way it leaves no water in the trench. Leaves that bush a very unhappy shrub because it's not going to mess with your French drain system. On this channel, we're all about showing you how to build French drains that last forever.